everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. And if you're new to my channel and happen to stumble by, well, click the subscribe button, hit the little bell, and let's be friends. Hello, hello, hello. First off, Merry Christmas. Okay, Happy Monday. Merry Christmas and all the things, y'all, all the things. Okay, I'm excited. I'm excited because in 6 days I will be in Florida. Oh, okay. Y'all, first of all, you have to forgive me. My eyes are tearing up like crazy. It is extremely cold outside. I think I'm getting a little bit sick again. Again, y'all know, again. Okay. But today I want to welcome you all into my 2025 Christmas home tour. Okay, so this, if you're new here, this is a very, very tiny little townhouse. It's about 1,100 square feet. It's so small, but it is cute as ever. And I have decorated it for Christmas to my best of my ability on very minimal budget. And when I say minimal budget, y'all, I really mean minimal budget. And wait till you see all the things that I did. Now, speaking of that, because I don't want to ramble right now, because I want to say something at the end of the video. I did a little DIY. Well, I've done a few DIYs. So I did a little DIY again the other day, and I'm going to roll the clips for that. And then we're going to go right into the home tour. And then when that's over, come back and see me because I want to give you some news and tell you some stuff. Okay, Bella, stop babbling. Babble at the end. Okay, y'all ready? Let's go. Do these lamps look like Christmas lamps to you? Look at this mess. That garland made such a mess that I couldn't stand this anymore. Y'all, I need to change this. I need to change this. I need to Christmasify this. Okay, what did I do? I grabbed a wrapping paper, very inexpensive wrapping paper, my lampshade, double-sided tape, and scissors. But you got to get the double-sided tape, okay? Double-sided tape, I'm telling you right now. And you're just going to stick it on, start with the seam and roll it around, and you got yourself the cutest. Okay, y'all, we're going to start out here. There's my beautiful wreath, and my garlands up, and my little trees in my faux Mackenzie child pots, and it's freezing, so we're going inside. And there's my little thingy, and I just adore this wreath. Like, I adore it. The tails, for me, make it. Oh, all right, let's go inside. All right, here we go. Okay, it's a little dark, but let me see if I can adjust the lighting in here. Okay. So here's the front hallway table. Let me see if I can pan back so you can see it better. So there's our DIY, and then I changed things up, as you can tell. I got that little tray. This is from Amazon, y'all. And if you want it, it's linked in my Amazon storefront. Oh my, I'm falling. Okay, so I did the vase. I'm pretty sure this vase, I want to say home, I don't know, Walmart. It's either Walmart or Home Goods. And then I did the taper candles. Do you remember when I bought these last year? Oh my God, love them. Okay, so we got that, and then the little wreath. And then yesterday I decided to do this. It's what was on the front hallway table, or the coffee table, whatever you want to call it, or the hall table. Yeah, so I just added this there. And I love the wreath. And then we're going to go into the living room. I know, y'all, look how tiny it is. It's just like a tiny little place. But it's okay for now, you know. I changed up the tree, obviously. I added red to it. I couldn't resist. But I left my nativity. There you see Jesus and Mary and Joseph. Okay, and this is what I changed in the kitchen. Or, no, sorry, for Pete's sakes, Bella. This is what I added. I added these two hanging lanterns between here, let me pan back so you can see it. Between the kitchen and the little living room here. There's my kitchen. You can see my kitchen. It's a very hard-working kitchen, let me tell you. And then I just have the art on the TV. And then if you, I don't, oh, let me show you the shelves because I don't think anybody's ever seen the shelves. So I had the deer originally here and I moved them to here. And it's so minimal, y'all. It's so minimal. That candle is from Aldi, the grocery store, because y'all know I love that place. And then that's like a little plate that I thrifted. I don't even know where I did. And then these were from last year. This is all from, except for these candles, which are so great. I got them at the Dollar General. And then another little plate here, another candle, another box, and then the deer with that. And then, okay, hold on. I'm going to turn you this way. So I put the pillows back on the couch, the Christmas ones, and then that little Christmas blanket. And I don't know if I've ever shown you all my little coffee table here. It's just, oh, look at the sun glaring in. It's a little, this DIY tray that I made, and a candle, and two trees, and this beauty. Why is it all of a sudden being dark? Is from Dollar General. And you've all seen the kitchen. We just recently did the kitchen, so I'm not going to go back into it. Obviously, I've taken out the place setting, but everything's pretty much the same, and I just love this. Look at this. My tape's coming off of my thing. But this is one of my favorite things, y'all. Like, really favorite things. This Santa, oh my God. I wish someone could tell me where it's from, really. My mugs. And look at all the holes in the walls. Oh, here. Let me show you this. I know this is all... Okay, there's 4 gifts in here. That's all Angela's. All right, y'all. So that's the house, and let's see if I can give you a little view from over here. Oh, I like that. Maybe we'll use that as the whatever it's called, thumbnail, thumb something. I think it looks cute. I think the house looks cute. You know, it's a very, very, very working home. It's a very, it's so small, y'all. And honestly, Angela and I agree. The smaller the house, the dirtier it is, the harder it is to clean. We don't know why. Anyways, I'm going to stop babbling, and I'm going to roll the clips now for the nighttime because I think at night it looks so beautiful. And make sure you come to the end so I can tell you Merry Christmas and how much I love y'all. my peeps. You made it to the end of the video. Well, first off, I want to say how much I love you and how grateful, truly grateful I am for my most loyal subscribers. This year has been challenging, very, very challenging, very challenging. I know some of you really know what's going on and all the stuff, and you've been with me and you're so supportive and so loyal that honestly, I wish I could do more for you and thank you and show you how truly appreciative I am of y'all. Okay, in saying that, I'm not gonna cry. I want to cry, but I'm not gonna cry. Oh boy. I'm sorry about that. So why am I so emotional? Well, my subbies, I've been on this YouTube platform for a while, and my subbies, y'all have been with me through thick and thin, through move after craziness, coming here. I don't even know why we came here. We're not even going to go there. Okay, in the new year, what's happening? I'm definitely moving. We are leaving for Florida. I'm leaving on Sunday. So you're watching this video on Monday or whenever you watch it. And then the Sunday, that morning, we're leaving. And we're going to be there for a couple weeks, I think 3 weeks. And I'm going to look for houses. I'm going to look for things and look for opportunities and all the things that need to facilitate the move. You know, I want to bring you the best content ever. I can't wait to get my stuff out of storage. I can't wait to have my home again, to put up more than one tree on a minimal budget. But it turned out really pretty, y'all, right? And I like the adding of the red. I like it. I think it looked cute. And I'm glad I added some red because it really made it feel more Christmassy. Okay. I would love to know what you're grateful for down in the comment section. I want to know how you're spending your Christmas. Tell me all the things. You all know that I love to know all the things. And if you ever need to reach out to me or anything like that, you can always find me on Instagram. It's linked down in the description box down below. You can always find me there. Also on Facebook. Facebook is still the same, I think. It's Bella D Designs 01. Yeah, I think so. Y'all, I'm really getting ill. Well, I hope you liked it. I have so many ideas for next year, but I'm dying to find out what house we land in. Like, I'm sure y'all are too, because, you know, we've been at this for so long that we are dying to get it home. So we'll declare it. We'll declare it. Okay, y'all, if you've never been here before and you're thinking, what is she talking about? Monday on my channel, we used to declare all the good things we want to come into our lives and take all the yucky negativity and throw it out the window. So today, y'all, I'm declaring that I'm getting my brand new house. That's it. And I'm also declaring that I'm going to have a wonderful Christmas. I cannot wait to see my child. Obviously, y'all know that. Cannot wait to see Miss Thing. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sniffling again. Okay. And I will make a couple videos in Florida. I'll make a couple videos for y'all in Florida and see how things are down there. Maybe I'll take you around, sights and seeing. Ooh, maybe I can do some home. When we look at some homes, I can show you. Good Lord, Bella, what is going on? Squirrel. I can show you some homes. Would you like that? Tell me in the description box down below if you'd like that. And I'm just trying to think what else. But I will be back with a video. We're going to pack together. I want to show you some like cute things. And people have been asking me, oh my God, on every social media platform, Bella, show us your Christmas earring collection. Here's a new pair, y'all. It's another one. I love them. Like the tackier, the bigger, the better. I mean, look at my sweater. I love this sweater, y'all. It's so soft. It's from Bells. 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 Amazing. You want to find things at like amazing prices? That's the store. I know it's not even sponsored, but I love that store. All right, y'all. I'm gonna let you go. But before I let you go, Merry Christmas. Have a beautiful and blessed Christmas with your family and your friends. And if you are alone, because I know there's people out there that are alone, don't feel alone. Our Lord and Savior is with you. He sends angels to be beside you. You are never really alone. And I'm here. If you ever need anything, just reach out and say, hey, you. Hey, Bella, talk to me. You know, I'm feeling lonely because I know what it's like, y'all. I've been there. I've been there, and it's not a good feeling. I love you all. Have a very, very, very Merry Christmas. Mwah. Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody.